Wells Fargo Company increased Gopro Inc. GPRO stake by 266.06%, reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. Wells Fargo Company acquired 212,486 shares as Gopro Inc. GPRO. Stock declined 7.89%. The Wells Fargo Company holds 292,349 shares with $2.38 million value, up from 79,863 last quarter. Gopro Inc. now has $1.37 valuation. The stock increased 2.93%, or 27 cents on October 20th, reaching $9.48. About 4.45 million shares traded. Gopro Inc. NASDAQ GPRO has declined 3.73% since October 22, 2016 and is downtrending. It is underperformed by 20.43% the S&P 500. Analysts expect Boingo Wireless Inc. NASDAQ WIFI to report minus 13 cents EPS on November 2. They anticipate 2 cents EPS change, or 13.33% from last quarter's minus 15 cents EPS. After having minus 20 cents EPS previously, Boingo Wireless Inc.'s analysts see minus 35.00% EPS growth. The stock increased 1.39%, or 31 cents on October 20th, reaching $22.65. About 400,758 shares traded, or 6.12% up from the average. Boingo Wireless Inc. NASDAQ WIFI has risen 132.10% since October 22, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 115.40% the S&P 500. Since May 9, 2017, it had 0 insider buys and 11 insider sales for $6.91 million activity. 10,237 Boingo Wireless Inc. NASDAQ WIFI shares with value of $162,381 were sold by Javier Peterson. Derek had sold 15,000 shares worth $240,300 on Wednesday, May 10. On Tuesday, May 9, Callahan Dawn sold $1.59 million worth of Boingo Wireless Inc. NASDAQ WIFI, or 100,000 shares. On Friday, May 12, the insider Tracy Tom sold $393,750. The insider Hagen David sold $1.20 million. Boingo Wireless Inc. is a provider of commercial mobile wireless fidelity internet solutions and indoor direct attached storage (DAS) services. The company has market cap of $908.47 million. The firm operates as a service well-known provider of wireless connectivity solutions across its managed and operated network and aggregated network for mobile devices such as laptops, smartphones, tablets and other wireless-enabled consumer devices. It currently has negative earnings. It acquires long-term wireless rights at venues such as airports, transportation hubs, stadiums, arenas, universities, convention centers, and office campuses, manufactures wireless networks such as DAS, Wi-Fi and small cells at those venues, and monetizes the wireless networks through a range of services and products. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.82 in Q2 2017. It's up 0.69 from 1.13 in 2017 Q1. It increased as 11 investors sold Boingo Wireless Inc. shares, while 28 reduced holdings. 28 funds opened positions, while 43 raised stakes. 31.11 million shares, or 2.92% more from 30.23 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Zurich Cantonal Bank reported 2,082 shares. Croft has invested 0.09% of its portfolio in Boingo Wireless Inc. NASDAQ WIFI. Monarch Partners Asset MGMT Limited Liability.com has 28,990 shares for 0.04% of their portfolio. Bank and Trust of Montreal can reported 1,601 shares stake. California Public Employees Retirement System has invested 0% in Boingo Wireless Inc. NASDAQ WIFI. FTB Advisor Incorporated holds 327 shares, or 0% of its portfolio. Wisconsin-based Timpani Cap MGMT Limited Company has invested 1.06% in Boingo Wireless Incorporated, NASDAQ WIFI. Bank of America has invested 0% in Boingo Wireless Incorporated, NASDAQ WIFI. Dimensional Fund Advisors LP has 0.01% invested in Boingo Wireless Incorporated, NASDAQ WIFI. Ameriprise Think owns 0% invested in Boingo Wireless Incorporated, NASDAQ WIFI, for 121,488 shares. JPMorgan Chase accumulated 1,006 shares. Nationwide Fund Advisors invested 0% in Boingo Wireless Incorporated, NASDAQ WIFI. Bogle LP invested in 0.01%, or 12,563 shares. Herald Invest MGMT Limited owns 660,000 shares for 3.38% of their portfolio. Legal General GRP Public Limited Com holds 9,149 shares. Among 8 analysts covering Boingo Wireless, NASDAQ WIFI, 6 have buy rating, 1 sell and 1 hold. Therefore 75% are positive. Boingo Wireless had 13 analyst reports since July 21, 2015 according to Stratton Xintel. Lake Street initiated Boingo Wireless Incorporated, NASDAQ WIFI, rating on Monday, June 20. Lake Street has buy rating and $12 target. As per Friday, August 4, the company rating was maintained by Jefferies. The stock of Boingo Wireless Incorporated, NASDAQ WIFI, earned buy rating by Oppenheimer on Thursday, August 10. The rating was maintained by Northland Capital on Monday, September 25 with buy. The rating was initiated by Craig-Hallum with buy on Tuesday, July 21. The company was maintained on Monday, August 10 by D.A. Davidson. As per Tuesday, September 22, the company rating was upgraded by Zacks. The rating was maintained by Oppenheimer with buy on Thursday, August 3. The company was maintained on Friday, November 4 by Craig-Hallum. The rating was initiated by BTIG Research with sell on Monday, July 11. Investors' sentiment decreased to 1.02 in Q2 2017. It's down 0.09 from 1.11 in 2017 Q1. It is negative, as 26 investors sold GPRO shares, while 38 reduced holdings. 28 funds opened positions, while 37 raised stakes. 34.37 million shares, or 3.04% less from 35.45 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Dimensional Fund Advisors Limited Partnership has invested 0% of its portfolio in Gopro Inc., NASDAQ GPRO. Bank and Trust of America holds 167,663 shares. SG Americas Limited LLC holds 0.01% of its portfolio in Gopro Inc., NASDAQ GPRO, for 128,556 shares. Davidson holds 0% or 90 shares. Maverick Capital Limited stated it has 0.01% of its portfolio in Gopro Inc., NASDAQ GPRO. Landscape Cap MGMT Limited Liability Corporation reported 34,459 shares, or 0.03% of all its holdings. Citigroup Incorporated holds 0% of its portfolio in Gopro Incorporated, NASDAQ GPRO, for 48,363 shares. Gemmer Asset MNGMT holds 0.11%, or 285 shares. Nice State Common Retirement Fund has 0% invested in Gopro Incorporated, NASDAQ GPRO, for 104,500 shares. Ameriprise Financial Incorporated owns 48,721 shares, or 0% of their U.S. portfolio. Ellington Group Limited Liability Company has 91,200 shares. Marathon Trading Invest Limited Liability, a Pennsylvania-based fund, reported 17,400 shares. Valley National Advisors invested in 0% or 20 shares. 32,273 are held by UBS Asset MGMT Americas. Fred Alger Management has invested 0.03% of its portfolio in Gopro Inc, NASDAQ GPRO. Among 23 analysts covering Gopro Inc, NASDAQ GPRO, 6 have buy rating, 6 sell and 11 hold. Therefore 26% are positive. Gopro Inc. had 92 analyst reports since July 22, 2015, according to Stratton Sintel. The stock has neutral rating by Stern AG CRT on Thursday, February 4. As per Tuesday, October 13, the company rating was maintained by Dougherty & Company. Robert W. Baird downgraded the stock to neutral rating in Friday, December 4 report. Dougherty & Company maintained it with buy rating and $70 target in Tuesday, August 4 report. Piper Jaffray maintained Gopro Inc. NASDAQ GPRO rating on Wednesday, November 18. Piper Jaffray has underweight rating and $15 target. On Wednesday, August 2, the stock rating was maintained by Cohen & Company with hold. Dougherty maintained it with sell rating and $500 target in Friday, August 4 report. The stock of Gopro Inc., NASDAQ GPRO, has buy rating given on Friday, August 4 by JP Morgan. The firm has buy rating given on Thursday, January 14 by Stern AG CRT. Wedbush maintained it with outperform rating and $17.50 target in Tuesday, September 20 report. Wells Fargo Company decreased select sector SPDRTR call XLF stake by 674,900 shares to 2.18 M, valued at $3.31 million in 2017 Q2. It also reduced MFS Inter-Income TR, New York Stock Exchange Min, staked by 90,346 shares and now owns 9.99 million shares. Forest City Realty TR Incorporated was reduced to